Thank you, sir. Okay, guys, in our last session, in our last demo, in our first demo session, sir, simply I given point number 1. What is a programming language? Okay, what is a programming language? Simple thing. The next point is and a purpose of a programming language is. Second point we clarified. No problem. Vinay, no problem. Vinay side. Okay, no problem. You can listen. Right? Again, I am repeating. Small thing. Don't be confused. Sir, what purpose of a programming language? And third point is what? And purpose of a Java programming language. Java programming language. And in Java, we are going to using three concepts, sir. J2SE, J2SE. The next one is J2EE. The next ones are J2ME. This one we saw yesterday clearly, my friends. Guys, understand what is programming language? Simple thing, sir. Programming language is nothing but is a communicator to communicate our instruction to machine. That is a programming language. So we are communicate our instruction with machine by using programming language only. So here we are going to using the one programming language is called Java. Java. So Java is nothing but a one programming language. By using this language, simply we are going to communicating with our machine. The next one, purpose of programming languages. Sir, only one motto. The purpose of programming language, simply, sir, developing softwares. Developing softwares. Sir, we are developing softwares for what? Providing the data services, sir. Providing data services. Very, very important point. So to provide data services throughout the world, then nowadays we are going to developing the softwares. Okay, sir. I am developing software with Java programming language. But by using Java, what kind of software we are developing? By using Java, we are developing simply application software, sir. Application softwares. Application softwares. But basically, by using Java, we are developing three types of application software. The first one is a stand-alone application. Stand-alone applications, sir. Understand? Stand-alone applications. And the second one, sir, by using J2EE, now we are developing the web-based application. You know, guys, web-based application. You know, guys, developing our web-based application, and simply web-based applications run in our browser only. The next one, J2ME, purpose is what? Developing mobile applications, sir. Mobile applications. So these are three types of applications we are developing by using our J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME, my friends. Clearly understand this point. Okay, sir, to developing standalone application from Java, we are going to using, you know, guys, OOPS concept and collection framework. Yesterday, clearly I given collection framework concept. So we are learning, you know, guys, framework concept so that remember my friend, collection framework, and along with we are going to using exception handling. These are the concepts are enough for us, and along with we require some logic, sir. Logic means what? Okay, control statement. Okay, and operators, variables. These are the enough to developing our standalone application. Sir, to developing web-based application, along with this concept. Okay, along with this, you know, CoreJava concept, and we required some advanced Java concept. Advanced Java concept. The concepts are, you know, guys, servlet, and we required JSP. And after that, we are going to learning some framework concept, Hibernate concept, and Spring. And then next we are focusing on Spring Boot framework, sir. So we are developing web-based application means by using these two technologies. First one is Servlet and JSP, and after that we are going to using Hibernate and Spring Boot, my friends. Right? Then, sir, we are not going to developing any mobile application. So this is we are not going to using. So these things yesterday we covered. But guys, to developing end-to-end web application, we required 4 types of technology. The first one is client-side technologies. Client-side technologies. In that we required HTML. The next one CSS. The next one JavaScript. These are required, my friends. And the next one is what? Server-side technologies. Server-side technologies already I given here, sir. No, the technologies are servlet. Okay, servlet. The next one is JSP. The next one is Hibernate. Hibernate. The next one is Spring. And next one is what? The Spring Boot frameworks are required. These all are what we call, sir, server-side technology. And for communication purpose, suppose I want to send the data from front end to back end. Front end to back end. So here back end is nothing but our database, guys. Our databases. Our databases. To save data from databases, okay. Sir, database is required. Okay, to save data in DB, okay, compulsory we required some databases, guys. Because of database only store the data here permanently. It is what? Database. Database purpose was store the data. But to communicate database to our front-end application, we required one more technology is called Jdbc is required. So every web-based application designed with, guys, 4 types of technologies. Here, the first technology is called our client-side technologies. And second technology called server-side technologies. And third one is Jdbc. And fourth one is called our database, my friends. Sir, clear up to here? Please need your response. This is nothing but my yesterday session, small explanation I given. Sir, Babu, Bashwant, Diksha, Shamina.
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Now, sir, now I am going to focusing main points. Sir, actually, okay, we are focusing on for what, sir? Our framework concept. Framework concept, sir. Sir, our doubt in framework, which thing you are going to covering? Just I am list out all the topics, sir, one by one. Okay, later we'll start our framework slowly, my friends. Sir, point number 1, when you are going to working with framework, here most of the time we are going to working with jar and var file, sir. Jar and var file. And what is a jar and var? I will explain you. Don't worry about it. So guys, okay, in framework, here we are going to learning first framework is what? Hibernate. Second framework is what? Spring, sir. And third framework is what? Spring Boot, my friends. But our main focusing on Spring Boot only, my friends. Spring Boot. Our main focusing on what, sir? Spring Boot. Sir, if you want to learn Spring Boot, definitely we need knowledge, little bit of knowledge on Hibernate and why Hibernate and what is the purpose of Hibernate and in what situation we can use Hibernate. Clearly, I will explain you. The next one from Spring Framework, I am going to highlighting 2 modules, my friends. The first module is what? Spring Core module, very, very important. And second module is what? Spring Web MVC module, sir. Web MVC module. These 2 modules are very, very important. If you understand these 2 modules, now our Spring Boot framework is very, very easy. Sir, here I am talking about the Hibernate. Simple, my friends. Hibernate used for like a Jdbc technology, sir. Simple. It can communicate with database and performing the CRUD operations. The next one, sir. Sir, what is the purpose of our Spring? Simple, sir. The purpose of Spring is developing web applications. Only web applications, sir. Like our Gmail application, Facebook application. In that case, you can go with Spring Framework. The next one, sir, I'm talking about the Spring Boot. Spring Boot main purpose is what, sir? Developing REST API applications. And you guys are waiting for microservices, guys. Microservices. Understand? And these things we are going to designing with our Spring Boot. But guys, to learn with our REST, to develop our REST API application, to develop our REST API application, what thing we require? So guys, just I am going to highlighting here. First, we need to understand the what is the REST, and second one is what is the REST API. What is the REST API? Third point is what? So how to create REST API application? How to create a REST API applications, and applications. And after understand REST API application, the next we are talking about the microservices, sir. Microservices. In that we are talking about the servers like a AWS server, Eureka server, Eureka servers. These topics we are going to learning, sir. Okay, after server integration, sir, after deploy your services into servers, not only, sir, all servers, either we are going with AWS or we are going with Eureka cloud server, my friends. And after servers, we are talking about the resilience forces, sir. Resilience, very, very important. Resilience force. And this topic purpose is what? Circuit breaker mechanism. Circuit breaker, okay, breaker concept, my friends. And after this, I'm talking about, guys, messaging, very, very important, messaging and routing concept. Routing concept. Here I'm talking about, RabbitMQ, very, very important, Rabbit MQ, or we are going to using the Kafka tool, my friends. We are using Kafka tool. Kafka tool. The next one, sir, I'm talking about the, guys, API gateways. API gateways. To implement API gateways, I'm going to using the Spring Cloud API gateway, sir. Spring Cloud API gateway concept. Very, very important. The next one, for load balancing purpose, I am going to using the, guys, Zipkin. It is a tool, my friends. Zipkin tool I am going to using. Yes, sir. RabbitMQ. Yes, Babu. Okay. But nowadays, no one can using RabbitMQ, sir. Instead of RabbitMQ, we are going to using the Kafka tool, right? Babu, is it right? Please need yours. Kafka is nowadays recommended, sir. Messaging and routing purpose. Okay. And load balance purpose, Zipkin we are going to using. The next one, friends, the next one, I'm talking about the, CI and pipelines, sir. Pipelines. Okay. Pipelines. Okay, for that, I'm going to using, okay, Jenkins. I'm using Jenkins. And, testing purpose, here we are going to using the JUnit, my friends. Right? So this is the things we are going to covering into our complete REST API and microservices application. That is virtual environment, sir. Kubernetes for virtual environment. Okay, Vinay, virtual environment purpose. Okay, Kubernetes. So I'm not going to using virtual environment because of that is part in DevOps. Okay, so if you want to learning DevOps, there they will explain you Terraform, JUnit, GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab. Okay, along with Kubernetes. Okay, everything they can explain you. I'll tell you, sir. Samina, definitely. Okay, it will take one session. If I tell within single, you won't understand. Definitely, I'll explain you. Without Hibernate, I won't start my framework. You will get more clarity, sir. Okay, again, I'm telling you, sir. Okay, I'll send you today my YouTube channel link. There you can see. Sir, again, I'm telling you, I'm not a beginner. I'm a fully experienced person, sir. Okay, I'm working in somewhere with Spring Boot and microservices. I have a 6+ years experience in industry and 10+ years experience in teaching, sir. Okay, I'm not a new. Definitely will get more clarity. Okay, I will give the data not beginner level, sir. Extreme experience level, sir. Believe me and trust me. Okay, sir, I won't tell you, okay, unnecessary words. Which thing I am going to telling you in my demo sessions. Tomorrow, definitely you can see in my classes without any doubt. Clear, my friends? But one thing, sir, I won't, what we call, I won't tell about myself more in my demo session. Okay, that is not required to me. Okay, I know. Okay, you can see in upcoming session, okay, what I am. So with single time, I won't explain you everything. Okay, definitely everything I will cover one by one. There is no doubt in that. Without any doubts. Sir, our course duration is what? 45 days. Okay, if it is not sufficient, I will extend 10 more days, sir. But end of the day, definitely you will get more clarity. So after my content, you will able to, okay, do you will be able to work in any environment, sir. There is no doubt in that. That much of sir, what data inject you. There is no doubt in that, right? Trust me.
So 45 days is included with Saturday and Sunday or excluded?
No. Up to weekdays except Sunday, madam. Sunday I won't take the session. Saturday also I'll take the session. And once you taken the registration, sir, our session is going to 8 to 9. 8 to
Oh,
9. Okay.
okay.
Already, before you, already this session is going on with 12+ students. Okay. They are in I started their Spring REST API applications. Okay. Within 5 days, okay, you guys, I'm going to merging into that session, sir.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Because of before only I'm telling you. Okay. Without loss of any content, I will explain you end to end. There is no doubt in that. Clear, my friends? Sir, understand. These are things I am going to covering one by one to our text, sir. Sir, one point. So these things we'll see one by one. And our friend asked me what is the difference between Jdbc and Hibernate. Definitely, I will explain you with beautiful example. You will get more clarity. Now, guys, today what I am going to highlighting, my friends.
Excuse me,
First
sir.
question.
Sir,
Right.
will the time be 8:30 to 8 to 9 all the time?
Yes.
Okay, it won't postpone further, right? Prepone, I mean.
In what
I
time you
mean,
want?
like I can attend at 8, but before 8, it will be impossible.
I think you are asking 7 a.m.
No, sir. Like, before 8 p.m., it will be like very hard to attend. So, I hope like classes are happening after, only after 8, will happen only after 8. I mean, it won't postpone further, right, sir? Like now it's 9 to 10. Later it will be 8 to 9. So it won't postpone further, right, sir?
No.
Okay, sir.
Okay, definitely. Just this is demo session is going on, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So once it is complete registration, okay, our session will be 8 to 9 only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Based on our content, definitely, guys, I can extend time also. Sometime we'll take 8 to 9:30 also. Sometime, we are working with framework. That time while development, there we have a n number of files we are going to using. Within 1.5 hours, we won't finish that application also. In that case, I'll take 1:30 also, means 9 to 10:30 also, right? Clear, my friends, please.
Sure, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Not now. Once registration is completed, okay, you guys, I'm going to merging with 8 a.m. session. Okay, in that already 15 students are there. Okay, and I taken 3 to 4 sessions. They are in same part. Later, I am going to merging all. Okay, please. Okay, my friends. And now, guys, what I'm going to highlighting one thing. Sir, what is framework? Very important. What is a framework? Before what, sir? I'm talking about why framework first. Why frameworks? If you understand this concept, sir, and you will get more clarity. Purpose of framework. Why framework? And next question is what? What is framework? And third one, sir. Okay, benefits of our framework, sir. Framework. Benefits of our frameworks. We'll see one by one, sir. Okay, guys, listen carefully. Listen carefully, sir. Now I'm going to highlighting few things here. Okay, once you understand, and our framework is very easy, guys, in real world. So, guys, we have some core Java concept. Shubham, okay, if we have a core Java concept, enough, my friends. Okay, core Java concepts enough. Okay, compulsory we need to knowledge and OOPS concept, especially class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation. This topic is compulsory required. Okay, I think you have some idea. Please once recap yourself. Even you don't have an idea, just I will remind you which thing is required before starting our framework concept. Okay, thank you, my friends. The next one, sir, guys, here I am giving every web application, guys, every web application, every, J2EE. J2EE application is nothing but our web application required 3 types of packages, sir. Required, guys, 3 types of packages. Understand? 3 types of APIs, simply what we call APIs. The first API is nothing but a Jdbc API. I am going to highlighting one by one. The second one is what, sir? Servlet API. Servlet API. And third API is nothing but a JSP API, sir. So, to developing any web application with a J2EE concept, before the framework, we are going to using 3 types of APIs, my friends. The first API is nothing but a Jdbc API. Second one is what, Servlet API. And third API is nothing but a JSP API, guys. By using this API, simply we are going to developing our complete web-based application. But while you are developing your web-based application by using these APIs, we are going to facing many problems, sir. And what are the problems? Clearly, I will explain you, and slowly we'll move into our framework concepts, sir. Now come to the point one by one, sir. Guys, understand, okay, when you develop your web-based application with this 3 APIs, okay, 3 APIs nothing but 3 types of layers, my friends. Okay, 3 APIs. Now I'm talking about the JSP API. Guys, the main purpose of JSP API is what, sir? To prepare our presentation layer. Presentation layer, sir. Understand? Presentation layer. Simply, we can call our UI layer, sir. UI layer. Simply what we call UI layer. The next one, I'm talking about the Servlet API. Servlet API purpose is what? To implement a business logic layer. Business logic layer, guys. This is the second layer. The third one, sir, Jdbc API is nothing but a data access layer. Data access layer, my friends. So every web-based application designed with 3 types of layers, my friends. Yes, coming, Samina, I'll tell you that one. Don't worry. Okay, I'll tell you what is the API. Please give me some time. Okay, then, sir. So every web-based application now designed with 3 types of layer. The first one is, okay, the first one is what? Guys, presentation layer. Second one is business logic layer. And third one is called data access layer, sir. Data access layer. No, friends, Spring Reactive. No, Vinay. Okay. Spring Reactive Mobile, please. Okay, we are talking about REST API microservices. Vinay, clear? Okay, now I am talking about presentation layer, sir. So guys, presentation layer simply designed with three types of technologies. First one is we are going to using the HTML code, and second one is CSS code, and third one is JavaScript code, sir. JavaScript code, my friends. JavaScript code. Sir, understand, by using this one, what we are doing? Simply we are designing our web pages. You know, guys, name, and next I give in the password. Name and password. Simple I given here name and password. Already you know, sir, always we are going to using in our application. Just I am creating the login button. Please understand, sir, the purpose of presentation layer is what? And this presentation layer compulsory run in browser only. Understand? Within the browser. Here browser is nothing but our client mission. Client mission, my friends. Understand the point. Client mission. Sir, Vinay, we have so many APIs, right? API is nothing but one kind of software. Samina, listen carefully. API is nothing but one kind of software. The API what will do, just communicate one application to the another application, interchange the information. That is the main purpose of API. It can communicate one application to the another application. But you know, guys, API you are not going to developing. Someone is developing, given to us. By using that API, just we are transferring the data. That is the main purpose of APIs. You know, here we are going to learning framework. That means what? Okay, in framework, we are not going to, yes. Okay, here we are not going to using, okay, any common code. The common code they given in the form of APIs. In our framework, API is called jar and var files. Jar and var file. That jar and var file consists with some predefined interfaces, classes and methods, those having some common functionality. But in framework, we are not going to focusing the common functionality. The common functionality they given in the form of APIs. Just we are going to focusing on business logic only. So that, okay, if you focus on business logic, sir, developer won't get burden. That's why we are focusing on framework nowadays. Samina, now it is okay.
So
Vinay,
it's clear now. It's clear.
I will give every data. Please, there is no doubt in that. Okay, now understand this is the presentation layer. Now come to the point, sir. Presentation, what will do? Take the user inputs. Understand, take the user inputs here. It can take the user inputs. And after taking user inputs, once you click this submit button, sir, login button, before submit, this user form can check is the given data valid or not. Valid or not. If it is validated, now presentation layer simply transfer the data to our business logic layer, my friends. Business logic is a business logic layer. Understand? But this business logic layer, we are going to implementing with a .java file or .jsp file. Now, here we are going to using the pure Java code we are going to using, sir. Java code. Understand? Java code for business code, business logic purpose only. But HTML, CSS is nothing but our designing code, sir. Designing code. Now, your Java code take the user input values and how to input. Just it can communicating like this. Then how transfer that, sir? So, guys, this is nothing but second box is nothing but what? Our business logic layer. Business logic layer. Business logic layer. And this layer always run in server, my friends. Run in server. And what will do business logic layer? It can take the user inputs in presentation logic, nothing but a input statement, STMT input statement. After taking data from the presentation layer and store that value in input statement, and it can perform the business logic, nothing but a processing statement, nothing but a some business code is running. After processing, sir, simply if you want to save your data into database, it can, here we are writing the data access logic with JDBC code, JDBC 5 lines code, 5 lines code. And this JDBC lines communicate with database and give back response. The response is nothing but second presentation logic, nothing but a output statement, sir. Output statements, sir. These are the 4 types of lines code we are writing into our business logic layer, sir. Come to the point. So to communicate our browser client machine to server machine, here we need communication. To communication purpose, here we are going to using one protocol is called HTTP protocol. Sir, understand. Here HTTP is a protocol to communicate our presentation layer to our business logic layer. Sir, how to communicating? That is the point. Takes the user inputs. Once you click this button, means 2 values we are going to sending to our server file with the help of HTTP request. Friends, clear up to here? Need your response? Sir, clear? Please need your response. Sir, say yes or no. Need your response from each and everyone. Okay. Now, presentation layer communicating with business logic layer with the help of HTTP protocol. I given user inputs. Once I click the button, means with 2 values, I am sending request to the business logic layer. Now, business logic layer take 2 values, store into input statement. Then after that, we are going to performing some business code. Next, we are going to performing some database activities. And with database, our business logic layer transfer our data to our data access layer, my friend. This is nothing but a data access layer, nothing but our database. But sir, after transfer data business logic layer to data access layer, now our data can be stored within the database in the form of a tabular format. This is nothing but a database, is nothing but a data access layer. Purpose is what, sir? Store the data permanently. Sir, store data permanently. Store data permanently, sir. Not temporarily, sir. Permanently, it can be stored. Right? Can be stored permanently. Guys, after processing, then data business logic layer, data access layer. Sir, how to communicate our Java file to data access layer? To come in this, we are going to using the Jdbc layer. That is what Jdbc API. Sir, communicate our Java application to any relational databases and perform the CRUD operations. Nothing, CRUD operation is nothing but just we are going to exchanging the data, my friends. So after saving data, database give response back to our business logic layer, and business logic layer give response back to our presentation layer, my friends. Sir, clear my point? So this is the layer, 3 layers we are going to use in developing complete end-to-end web-based applications, sir. But tomorrow, these layers are called one pattern, my friends. The pattern name is called MVC. Very, very important. MVC pattern, sir. MVC pattern. Sir, what is the MVC? Guys, understand. M stands for model. Here, model is nothing but a data access layer. V stands for view, my friend. That is nothing but a our presentation layer. C stands for controller. That is nothing but a our business logic layer, guys. Clear my points? Please need your response now. Now, what is the first one, sir? Okay, here presentation is considered as a view, and this is what controller, and this is nothing but our model, my friends. And tomorrow onwards, our web-based application developing within the MVC, sorry, in your framework by using MVC pattern only, my friends. Then why, sir? Array, this web-based application already we are developing with Servlet and JSP happily. Then why we are going to using the framework here? Sir, the reason is what? Please understand. Knowingly, unknowingly, as a fresher, as a experienced developer, in presentation layer, sir, in presentation layer, okay, always we are going to writing some common code, sir. Repeated code we are going to writing in presentation layer, and same code we are repeating in business logic layer. Even same code we are repeating in our data access layer also. Common code means what? Suppose guys, when I am going to performing insert operation, same logic I am writing. Update operation, same lines of code we are going to writing, sir. If you repeat same code again and again, code will be increased. Developer get burden. Time will be increased. Cost will be increased. These are the problem with our common code, sir. Means what? While we are designing things, for designing purpose, every time we are writing the same code. While we are going to taking input, output, database connectivity, there also we are going to take some common code, sir. And what are the common code? I will explain you. Please understand. Don't worry about it. Okay. In business logic layer, we are writing some common code. Even to perform the CRUD operation, here also we are going to writing the common code. Sir, to avoid this common code, as a developer, if you write the common code, sir, first problem is what, sir? Developer get burden. Point number 1. Developer get a burden because of every time writing the duplicated code. If you write common code, what happens, sir? Lines of code is increasing. Lines of code is increasing, guys. Lines of code increasing. Sir, if lines of code is increasing, what happens, sir? Application performance going to down. Application, what's sir? Performance. Okay, performance down, my friends. Application performance down. Okay. The third point, sir. Time also increasing, sir. Time and cost also increase. Cost also increase. These are the problem with our Servlet and JSP web-based application. In order to overcome that problem, okay, nowadays framework came into the picture, sir. Framework, okay, came into the picture, my friends. Very, very important. Now, I will tell you one mass example. You will get more clarity, my friends. Sir, clear understand, sir. Just I am giving one mass example. You will get more clarity. I will give two mass examples, sir. Sir, understand. Suppose, sir, if you want to prepare biryani at your home, imagine, my friends, biryani. Sir, what we required? First, we required chicken pieces. Next, we required ingredients. Okay, all the ingredients we need to collect. Next one, we need to have the biryani rice. Okay, biryani rice. Guys, these things are common for either you prepare the biryani or me, sir. If you prepare the biryani, these ingredients and rice and chicken pieces, we are going to individually gathering from market. After gathering, sir, after gathering all this data, now we are coming to the home and how to prepare the biryani. Here we have a manual. First start the stove, then keep on bowl, then keep on oil, then keep on water. This is the procedure. We are reading our complete procedure. After reading it, now we started biryani. Finally, we are going to taking. Sir, understand. This is a procedure common for you and me. Right, sir? Common procedure for you and me. But if you prepare biryani at your home, sir, definitely it will take 4 to 5 hours time. But same biryani, if you take at a hotel, my friends, which thing you gathered here, which thing you gathered, not required to gather there, my friends. Just you can sit on dining table and do the offer. Within 15 minutes, biryani is ready. Sir, which thing you did at your home, already someone is did, sir. Common things already they implemented. Just you can take and eat, my friends. Here, framework also same thing. Common thing already they given by our Java programmer in the form of jar and var file. And framework telling you, hey developer, just you can focus on only business logic. Guys, clear my point? Sir, are you understand my example? Sir, say yes or no. Need your response. Sir, your response is very, very important. Right? I'm coming. One more example. One more example, sir. One more example coming, sir. Now, sir, understand. I want to prepare gulab jam. Gulab jam at my home, sir. At my home, please understand. Sir, tell me, I need your response. To prepare gulab jam, what we require? Suppose we are preparing at home. What we require, sir? Generally. Please speak out. Please speak out, sir. No problem. Flour? Okay. Sugar, very good. Next. Milk, very good. Okay. And some atta. These are required, sir. Oil. These are required, sir. If you prepare it your home, what happens, sir? Gas stove. Okay. Okay. These all are we required. Individually we are gathering. Yes or no? Okay, it will take the time, sir. Sir, nowadays, same gulab jam packet available in DMart and, guys, digital mart, sir. They given one packet. Yes or no? Which thing you are going to gathering? Yes or no? Which thing you are going to gathering? Individually, they given in the form of packet. Right? Just you can bring the packet. But there is a different at home, right? Right, sir. What happens, sir? Okay, you are expert in that. Right, sir. Just we are bringing that packet. Sir, in that packet, they given everything, my friends. So they given, some flour, some atta. Okay, everything they gathered within the packet. Just we are bringing. And at your home, according to our test, just we are going to preparing. Here, preparing our test is nothing but our own business code. But which thing they given ingredients that packet is common for you and me. Am I right? Sir, need your response. Am I right? Okay, that things we are not going to gathering individually. Here also same story, my friends. Sir, which thing you feel common code for development? That common code already they given in the form of jar and var file, sir. Just we are going to focus on only business logic here. Now tell me, sir, if you focus on business logic, tell me, sir, are we decreasing our time or not, sir? Lines of code will be decreased, time will be decreased, cost is decreased, and developer won't get a burden, my friends. That is the benefit of our framework concept, sir. Now I will tell you one more mass example, you will get more clarity. Suppose, sir, you want to do marriage at your home. Marriage at your home. Sir, if you want to do marriage, what we require, sir? Dash is required. Chairs are required. Tent items are required. Cooking items are required, sir. These are common for every marriage. But if you gather individually at your home, sir, you need to start preparation before 10 days, sir. It will lengthy time. Food is most important. Okay, sir, for guest seminar, excellent. But to arrange this at your home, you need to start preparation before 15 days or 1 week, my friends. But if you do same marriage in functional, sir, what you are gathering at your home, tent items, chairs, everything they given, even their dash also is ready. on the dais according to your requirement. Arrange your pandiri. You know, our pelli pandiri. And decorate your triangle mode, rectangle mode, rounded area. That is your ideology. So what are the common things are chairs, okay, chairs, dais, cooking items, all are common for every marriage. Common things already they given in your framework. Array developer, just you can focus on business code only. That is the flavor of our framework, my friends. Clear? I hope you understand why and what is the framework, sir. Finally, why framework? Simple, sir. Reason is what? If you develop in any web-based application with Servlet and JSP, in Servlet and JSP, there we are going to writing common code for every web-based application. In order to overcome that common code, okay, right, sir. Common code. Now we are going to avoid the common code. Now we are going to using with framework concept. Sir, how we'll get the common code? Yes or no? The common code already they given in the form of jar and var files, sir. That jar and var files we are downloading for common code. Just we are going to focusing on only business logic. Right? Business logic, guys. Business logic not common, sir. Application to application, that is a different. Then what is a framework? A simple definition of the framework is nothing but a collection of jar and var file. But every jar and var consists with predefined classes, methods and interfaces having with common functionality. So that common functionality common for all the end user. Sir, what are the benefits? What is the first benefit, sir? Developer won't get burden. And we are not going to writing the duplicate code. And time is safe, cost is space, and RAD development. RAD means what? Rapid development, sir. Less time, less effort, and less time, less code. We are developing your application as soon as possible. And deployment cost also decrease. And testing also very easy. Debugging also very easy, guys. These are the benefits we are going to getting with what happens, sir? Our framework concept. Clear, my friends? Please need our response once. So this is the story, sir. Deploy means what? After complete, after complete development, you need to give your application to our customers, sir. Suppose, sir, customer came and he given one requirement, and according to his requirement, he want to finish his application within 1 month, sir. But for development, you taken 2 months. What happened, my friends? 1 month cost is increased. Am I right, Samina? Yes or no? He told you what, just within 1 month you can finish. But what you taken? There you are writing some common code. Duplicate you are going to writing. So that what happens, sir? Development length of code is increasing. Code is increasing means what? Automatically you can take more time. Within time you are not going to finishing the time, right? Time is increasing means what? Company people will provide you only 1 month payment. But you are doing what, sir? One month development time you are taking as 2 months. What happens, sir? Automatically client will get the burden. Client will be pay the more amount. At the same time, from company you are taking the more amount. 1 month, 1 month amount. Tell me, sir, development cost is increasing. At the same time, employee employee will take one more one more month extra payment. That is what cost, my friends. Time. Clear, Samina? Okay, and this is the story about why and what and benefits, my friends. Okay, guys, clear up to here. Please need your response. Definitely GitHub repository as well. Definitely, Baswant. I'll tell you. Don't worry. Okay, I'll tell you. What? Okay, tomorrow we'll see. Okay, I given what is framework, why framework. Okay, and what are the benefits and what are the Java frameworks? We'll discuss. Okay, and purpose of Java frameworks one by one. and we'll discuss about MVC. And in MVC, modal purpose is what, view purpose is what, and control purpose is what. We'll see one by one, my friends. Okay. Sir, I am telling you one thing. Okay. As soon as possible, okay, please register there, guys, and we'll start. We will go with real part. Okay, sir, I am not taking any word. Okay, so blah blah word, sir. Okay, definitely will get more clarity. Okay, you will get. And sir, one more thing, sir. So here I given my name is Sairam. Actually, my name is Yakub, sir. Please, I'm teaching in some corporate company. If I keep same name in Yakub, they will recognize. That's why I changed my name, sir. And you know, guys, to know about me, so here I have my channel Coding by Yakub. Once you can go with YouTube channel, sir, you will get more clarity. There I given few videos only, not more, because of so I'm going to content end to end. That's why I'm not given, sir. There I given Jdbc videos. Just you can once you can watch, you will get more clarity about me. And there I given some Spring Boot videos. Just few videos I given. Just you can check there, sir. Okay, sir. I'm a corporate employee. Please understand. I'm not a guys. Normal trainer. Definitely get more clarity. Please also help with Java implementation code. Yes, sir, Baswant, we are working with framework is nothing but we are working with annotation only, Baswant. Okay, Spring Boot is nothing but annotations. I will inject you, don't worry about it. Okay, we are learning Spring Boot, nothing but we are writing annotations only. I'll explain you what is the annotation, purpose of annotation, which annotation is what purpose, in what situation we can use. Everything will become in Spring and Spring Boot. Clear, Baswantji? Yes, hero. I'm a Python full stack trainer, Java full stack trainer, UI full stack trainer. I know complete Python, sir, core Python, advanced, Django, Flask, Django REST API. And I know Java, core Java, advanced Java. Okay, Spring Boot, Hibernate, and all tools, sir. I know GitHub, Kafka, okay, Jenkins, Jira. Okay, everything I'm going to using in my applications. And the next one, sir, the next one, and from UI side, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and React.js. Okay, up to I know. Okay, I have a guys, Samina, how to generate a batch. Sir, Samina, there is that the cinema is different, please. Okay, here we are for what Spring Boot framework only. Okay, and my request is what, Samina, if you focus on framework, that's enough. Then enough. So don't focus on advanced Java. But here I will explain you what is the purpose of Java. Okay, enough, because of nowadays company pools not using Servlet and JSP. Most of the company using framework concept only. But we need knowledge. We need knowledge. So what is a in advanced, what is a web-based application? What is a request? What is a response? What is a server mission? What is a client mission? These things I will explain you. Don't worry about it. Okay, my request you what? Don't focus on advanced Java, sir. Just we need knowledge you only. Enough, my friends. If you focus on framework, you will get more clarity. Thank you, Diksha. Thank you very much. Not required, Bashwan, browser. Servlet node it not required, not required really. Okay, but we need knowledge, little bit of knowledge enough. But I will tell you what knowledge is required, right? I'll tell you. Okay, from advanced Java, what you required, I will explain you. It will take one session. Okay, completely I'll explain you, and from there we can go with our framework concept, right? And guys, once you can go, I'll show you. Thank you, Samina. Okay. And once check, sir. Okay, I'll show you my website. You will get more clarity. Guys, here I am teaching you only 5 students, but in my session, okay, I will show you photos, sir. More than 300 students are sitting in my session, sir. Okay, I'm not telling about myself, okay, greatly. And okay, just I am telling you, but I won't give the Okay, about myself more. Okay, my content will teach you more about me. Sir, here is the website, coding by Yakub. I am not giving much data, sir, because of genuinely I want to provide the data. That's why I am not giving. So here is my channel, sir. You know, and this is my Jdbc videos. Once you can go through this one, you will get more clarity how I am going teaching. Okay, here is my channel, coding by Yakub. Okay, because of some other things, I am not giving my original name. Just I was changed, but I am telling you because of so. Okay, what transparency is required, my friends. Okay, here I given some few videos. Okay, in upcoming days, I am going to uploading many. Okay, just you can check here, sir. Here I given you Spring and Spring Boot. You can go with first video, you will get more clarity. And here I given Jdbc complete videos I given. Just you can check in, my friends. Thank you and have a nice day. And tomorrow we'll meet with a new topic, sir. Sir, last question. Are you following me, everyone? Please need your response. Is it okay, my friends, my sessions? Okay, thank you, sir. By end of the day, definitely I will make you perfect in coding, my friend. That is my promise. Without any doubt. Without any doubt, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll meet tomorrow in same time.
10 minutes. 没关了。